Welcome to WhisperKOOL's Wine Cellar Cooling Calculator user guide. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use our heat load calculator that estimates the BTUs needed to cool your cellar efficiently. Whether you're just getting started or already have a cellar build in progress, this tool makes it easy to obtain an estimate of the cooling system your space requires. To obtain accurate results, it's crucial that all information is entered correctly. An undersized unit can lead to improper cooling, extended runtimes, and even premature system failure. Before you begin, ensure you've gathered all the necessary details. Precise cellar specifications will lead to a reliable result. First, start by visiting whisperkool.com/calculator. The calculator is organized into a series of sections. In the Introduction section, enter your full name, email address, project name, and cellar location. Your email address is used so you can receive a record of your results. Next, in the Unit of Measurement section, select either US Standard or Metric. After that, move to the Ceiling section. Here, select the ceiling insulation type, identify the condition above the cellar ceiling, and enter the average temperature in that space during the summer. Then, provide similar information for the floor. Choose the insulation type, describe the space beneath the cellar, and input its average temperature. Enter the cellar's length and width to calculate the floor area. Next, go to the Walls section. Start by entering your desired cellar temperature, which is typically 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, specify the number of walls in your cellar. For each wall, input the height and width, the type of insulation used, the adjacent condition, the adjacent room temperature, and provide details for any doors or glass windows. These sections are crucial for capturing the amount of heat entering the cellar through its surrounding surfaces. Once everything is filled out, review your inputs carefully. Then, check the box to agree to the disclaimer, noting that results are based on the accuracy of the information you've provided. Click Submit to calculate your heat load. Your total BTU load will now display. This number represents the amount of heat your cellar gains every hour. As a best practice, add 500 to 1,000 BTUs to this number to ensure you're selecting a unit that's not undersized, especially in extreme environmental conditions. You'll also see a list of recommended cooling units based on your calculated BTU load and your preferred system type. Each unit includes an estimated runtime percentage. Lower runtime delivers better performance, efficiency, and long-term reliability. If you have any questions about your results or selecting the right unit, visit our design consultation page